Hello everyone! So once again, this is your Megs, and for today's video, punta tayo sa park. Pakita natin yung update at saka si Valentine's. So Sunday, may event sila ngayon. So samahan niyo ako at saka katapos ko lang mag-duty. So tara, let's go! Alright guys, so punta na tayo sa park. Tingnan nyo kung anong meron dito. Sa kabila tayo dada. There's a lot of people here. Because the Valentine's was actually on Friday and people are working. You know, American, mas gusto pa nila magtrabaho kaysa gumala. So Friday is not like this. So now they celebrate the Valentine's on Sunday. Alright. You see. So we can start here from the top. What they have. It's so nice. Yung ang gaganda ng mga suot nila. Tapos ako, naka-uniform pa. Kaka-out lang mag-duty. Yes. Okay. Now I think that one is some pictures. Oh. You see. Alright. You see it. Alright guys, so let's continue this one. The park. They have that one. They have this one. Let's see what they have here on this side. Pag gabi siya, maganda siya kasi may light. Umiilaw yan. Pag ngayon naman umaga, ito yung may mga event. They have like that. Santa Marta. They have this one. Yeah, it's a candle, I think. Yeah, it's a candle. And this part, they are selling something. It's a toy. Yeah, it's a food. You see? There's children's activity here. What is the children's activity? This weekend, Valor Garden. Alright, sweet treat for Valentine's. Chance Sunday, 16th February. Oh, 16 also. I see. So this one, and this part naman, katagala ko para hindi lang maintindihan dito. I think this is for, okay. It's nice here. Sa mga taong gustong yung mga foreigner na mag-ano. You see, this one is so cute. Yeah, it's a keichi. Sa mga foreigner na gusto mo remembrance. And it's a butterfly. Yeah, next time. Alright. Yeah, this candle. And this one is, yeah. So, yeah. Alright. Alright, so I already, see what is on the Valentine's here in the park. So, ganyan sila dito kung ano yung mga local ko, gaano sila mag-celebrate ng Valentine's. Meron talaga silang pa-event, hindi lang para sa mga mag-loved ones, mag-partner, mag-asawa, kundi para din sa mga bata. So, I think that's it. So, thank you so much for watching my video for today. And then, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and comment, and share my video, right? And see you to my next video. Bye!